Okay guys, let's start. How are you all doing? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. We are
Yes, ma'am.
fine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. I am Amatal Khutija, head of the department, and I extend a warm welcome to each one of you. Okay guys. Yeah, okay, great. Thank you for confirming. So today I'll be your guide, okay, walking you through all the essential details to kickstart your internship. Let's dive right in. So guys, I want you guys to be very active. Okay, whenever I ask some questions, please turn on your mic and answer it. All right? Cool?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Thank you, Sharu.
Ma'am, I am
Yes.
out, ma'am. Should I join after 5 minutes, ma'am?
Yes, Karthik. Can you come again?
No, ma'am. I am outside, ma'am.
Okay, you're
I'll
outside.
join after 5 minutes, ma'am.
After
Okay.
how many minutes?
After 5 minutes, ma'am.
No worries. You can just plug in your earphones or something. You can just listen. Okay, you don't have to talk. Cool.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, if that's
Okay.
fine. Yeah, if that's fine. Okay. If not, you can join after 5 minutes as well. No worries. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, guys. Firstly, let me give you an overview of ILP. Okay, as interns here, it's essential for you to have the knowledge about the company you're working in, right? So ILP, okay, ILP International Learning Planners plays a vital role in providing quality education to students who are interested in studying in foreign universities. You might be wondering what exactly does ILP do? So, well, they offer comprehensive services including counseling throughout the education and visa application processes. Essentially, ILP is a consultancy that also provide coaching for exams like IELTS, PT and Duolingo. Okay, these are the core roles of ILP. Am I clear? Um, Please respond, guys.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, in addition to this services, ILP extends its support by offering internships, okay, across various domains. All right. In summary, ILP is like your go-to consultancy for education or visa assistance or exam coaching and internship opportunities. Okay. So, can anyone repeat the same thing? What exactly does ILP do? Anyone can take the initiative and speak up. Anyone, guys? Come on. Just read out at least, okay? International learning planners plays a vital role in providing quality education to students who are interested to study in foreign universities. Okay? You can just repeat this at least. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am. I can do.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
International learning planners play a vital role in providing quality education to students who are interested to study in foreign universities. And we at ILP Overseas help students discover their dreams. Internships we provide with human resource domain, sales and marketing domain, etc.
Yes, great.
And they
Thank
will provide with visa and other facilities to the students who wants to pursue their education in overseas.
Yes, well done. Thank you, Sharu, right? It's Sharu, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. All right, moving ahead. Okay, as I said, we provide internships in different domains. Okay, we have till now completed 15,000 interns. Okay, till 2023, and our goal is to continuously increase this number. And as HR interns, each one of you play a crucial role in achieving this growth. Next, moving ahead, as I said, we have different domains: human resources, sales and marketing, digital marketing, public speaking, franchise development. Okay, right now we are only focusing on human resources and sales and marketing. Okay, they both are incentive based. Next, moving ahead, what will you receive after this internship? Okay, upon successful completion, you will not only receive the certificates but also enjoy some extra additional rewards. Okay, like extra miler certificate. Okay, experience certificates, promotions as well, and opportunity to join to the core team. All right, at the beginning of the internship, right, you were told about this payments for getting the certificate, right? 99 rupees you will be receiving the certificate of completion, and that is the registration charges as well. Okay, and if you pay extra rupees, right, if you pay 449 rupees, you will be getting all these three certificates, that is letter of recommendation, letter of completion, and certificate of completion. Certificate of completion is nothing but that you have completed this internship. Okay, letter of completion is more like a formal letter that we will send, okay, as you have completed the internship. And letter of recommendation is nothing but we are saying that you are a capable employee or intern, whatever you have done the work, right, we recommend you for the further companies. Okay, so these three are very essential. Okay, if somebody has paid just 99 rupees, they will be receiving the certificate of completion, but if you had paid 449 rupees, you will be receiving all these three certificates. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you guys. So as said about the promotions, we have a system of 8 levels to recognize your progress. Okay, you will be starting as level 1 intern. Okay, and then you can become team leader officer, team leader manager, head of the department, and so on. Okay, your promotion speed depends on the job performance and how dedicated you are. Okay, for example, reaching the highest level, that is the president, okay, that can happen within few weeks as well. Okay, if you excel your role, we don't have like a particular timing that you need to fulfill. Okay, as an intern you have to fulfill like 30 days, then only will be promoted to team leader officer. No, not like that. Okay, we will promote you on basis of your performance. Okay, it's all about how well you do and how well you qualified you are at each level. Okay, so next is nothing but the benefits. All right, the benefits is nothing but you are going to have the work from home. Okay, and it's flexible timings. If you're free at morning hours, you can work in morning hours. If you're free at evening hours, you can work in evening hours. There is no particular timing, and there is no prior work experience needed. Okay, and internship duration will last from 4 to 16 weeks, and the performance will be, I mean, the stipend will be based on the performance. Okay, I'll be explaining about the stipend, don't worry. And you will be receiving the free master classes on advanced HR topics, and we will be giving you the coaching and mentoring. Whenever you have doubts, you can reach out to us. And also you will be receiving the welcome flyer and offer letter, which was already given to you, and we will be giving the website verified certificates as well. Okay guys, now I want you guys to take out your notebook and a pen. Okay, I'll give you like 2 minutes. Please get your notebooks and pen.
Ma'am, actually I don't have right now. Can I note it in my phone?
Yeah, sure, wherever it's possible. Okay, just try to note it down. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, cool. Karthik, are you here now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So can anyone tell me what is the role of an HR, like basic role of an HR? What exactly does HR do?
Sir, he will hire the candidate and he will train the candidate. And the role of HR is performance management, performance appraisal,
Yes,
and
great.
payroll management.
Yes, okay, thank you.
It's learning and development and recruitments. That's all, ma'am. That's all I know, ma'am.
Okay, what's your name?
Karthik, ma'am.
Okay, Karthik itself. All right. Okay, so basically, there are many roles. Okay, recruitment, that is finding the right candidates, right? Employee relations, okay, handling any issues or concerns employee may have. Training and development, compensation and benefits. Compensation benefits means nothing but the salaries, bonuses, and taking care of those, right? And training and development is nothing but helping employees learn and grow in their roles, right now I'm doing the training session for you guys, and master classes will be the development classes. You will be learning some new things, right? And policy implementation, according to the organization, we will be making policies. That is also the role of an HR. Performance management, as Karthik said, okay, evaluating how well employees are doing their jobs, right? That is performance management. HR administration, handling paperwork, records, and all those. Conflict resolution, if something happens between employees, right, you have to manage those as well. Workplace safety, right, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for the employees, right? Strategic planning as well, like long-term plans for the company, right? You'll have to take care of that. You have to manage those as well. Okay, so these are something roles of an HR, right? In this internship, you will be doing the recruitment and selection. Right now, you are doing that. Okay, you will be starting that. And job analysis means nothing but preparing a job description according to the specification or the requirements of the company. Okay, I'll show you how to do this as well, this both things. Okay, and employee training, employee welfare, learning and development, and career management. These are the other things which you will be doing in different positions. Okay, right now I am the head of the department, right? So I'm doing the employee training and learning and development as well. Okay, so these are my roles. Okay, for you right now the roles are recruitment and selection and job analysis. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. All right. So now to the most important part, right? Like even though you have probably glanced at the job description before applying to this internship, you might still be wondering like what are actually your roles and responsibilities, what you have to do in this internship, right? So let me break it down for you. Okay, your primary responsibility, just like in HR, any HR, okay, will be the recruitment. Okay, so let me give you a brief overview of this process. Okay, firstly, posting a job advertisement on various platforms. Okay, you will be making a job advertisement. Okay, and after you make a job advertisement, you will be receiving a lot of CVs, right? So you have to screen them and organize the interviews with the shortlisted candidates and hire them. Okay, don't worry, I'll explain all this in details. Right now I'm just giving you a quick overview. Let me run through everything first, and then I'll show you the ropes. Okay, and at the end of the day, you need to update us about your work through a Google form. All right, we will actually, that is available on your WhatsApp group. Okay, there's a WhatsApp group you're all added in, right? February ILP interns, are you guys added
No,
there?
ma'am.
No, not
No, ma'am.
added.
No, ma'am.
Okay, not added. Okay, so you are in a community.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, great. So
A channel we joined. I
okay,
joined
okay,
actually.
okay, great, great, no worries. Okay, so I'll be providing you that form, attendance form. Okay, so you'll have to fill out that attendance form every day to keep the track of your work. All right, so based on your performance you will be eligible for promotion and stipends. So ensure you fill the Google form by the end of the day. Okay, so please note it down, this in your notebook. Okay, you have to fill the Google form daily. Google form will be consisting of like how many interviews you have taken, how many hirings you have done per day. Okay, so yeah, I'll be addressing the queries at the end of the session. Please note it down as well. If you have any queries, just write it down somewhere. Later on, I'll make sure that you don't have any doubts. Okay. Okay, I hope that's done. The first job is nothing but after the end of the day, you have to fill the Google form. I'll be sending that link, don't worry. And the next thing is this one more thing that your responsibility is nothing but when you're interviewing, right, when you make the calls, right, you have to write down the name and the number. Okay, and whenever we ask for the PDF file, right, you have to share that file to us. Okay, so if you made like 10 calls today, right, you have to write down their names, you have to write down their numbers. Okay, each day. Okay, right now it's let's say on 5th March you made 10 calls. Okay, so you have to write down all the names and all the numbers. And on March 6th, if you have made like 7 calls, you have to write down the numbers and names. Okay, and when we ask for this data, right, you'll have to share us in a PDF format. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, great, great, thank you. And after hiring the candidates, you have to update us. Okay, if somebody got hired, right, you have to share that information, candidates information, to us. Okay, to the ILP number, company number. I'll be I'll be sharing that to you. Okay, don't worry how to do that. And the next is networking. Guys, if you don't have your LinkedIn account, right, please make a LinkedIn account and start your networking. Try to connect with people. Okay, try to be active on LinkedIn. If you already have a LinkedIn account, as a HR intern, want to work in a HR domain, right, definitely you must have the connections, you must know a lot of people. So not just for this internship, but in your later career as well, it's good that you have a good network. So try to connect with more and more people from your domain. Okay, so make your LinkedIn account very active. Cool, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone here doesn't have the LinkedIn account at all? Anyone? No worries, it's okay, you can just tell me if you don't have one. Okay, cool. So everyone has a LinkedIn account. Great. So next is attending the master classes. Okay, so make sure whenever the master classes are scheduled, you attend that. Okay, it happens twice or once a week. Okay, so as a HR intern, your roles is first posting the job advertisements, screening the resumes, organizing the interview calls. Okay, organizing the interviews, and then write down the details of the interviews. Okay, the name and the number. And if you hired someone, okay, you must update that candidates information to the company number, and improve your networking and attend the master classes. Okay, networking is like a good thing to have on, okay, not just for this internship but for your future career as well. Next is the stipend. Okay, so you might have paid, I mean, you know this stipend policy. When you are getting hired, right, you had paid some amount, right? So here it goes. Okay, so if you bring in the interns at 99 level, okay, if you hired someone at 99 level, okay, somebody paid 99 rupees after your interview call, okay, so you will be receiving 50 rupees for each hiring. And if you bring in the interns at 449 level, you will be receiving 100 rupees per hire. Okay, so to be eligible for the stipend, you need to hire at least, okay, 5 interns. Okay, not in a month but in a whole internship. Okay, if you are working for 2 months, it's fine. Okay, you must hire 5 interns in total to be eligible for the stipend. And to receive a certificate, you must hire minimum of 3 interns. Okay, so if you get 3 interns, you will be eligible to get a certificate. And if you bring in 5 interns, you will be eligible for the stipend. Okay, so if you bring 3 99 level hirings and 2 449 rupees hiring, right, that will be a total of 5 hirings, so you will be receiving stipend. Okay, got it?
Ma'am, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
If I'm not able to hire three candidates, also you won't provide certificate, ma'am.
How many hirings you said? 3.
No, you told ma'am, if I am hiring a 5 candidates, you will provide a
Stipend.
stipend.
Yes.
If I am hiring only 3 candidates, you will get only certificate. You told ma'am.
Yes.
If in case I'm not able to hire 3 candidates, also means I won't get certificate.
You will get it. Okay, but it's good to have a certificate. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you can just attend the master classes, be regular, be active. Okay, then you can request the company number and you will receive the certificate. But yeah, make sure you're active at least. Okay, because what's the point of
No, no, no,
just,
ma'am, no,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah,
Just I have a small doubt.
yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
have.
Yeah, yeah, no worries, no worries. Okay, so just a doubt. Okay, no worries. Okay, 3 interns is not a very big number. You will be able to get 3 interns. Okay, at least try to hire like 99 level 3 interns. Okay, just to get the certificate.
I will try.
Yeah,
I will try.
yeah,
I will try.
yeah. Yeah, if it's difficult, no worries. If you can get 1 or 2 interns as well, you can just request the company number. You will still get your certificate because you were there the whole month, right? You can just put your point, right? I was there the whole month, sir. I just couldn't get the interns. So please try to like reconsider or something. They will provide it. Okay, cool.
Okay.
It's not a compulsory thing, but try to get it. Okay, you will also improve your skills, right? You will make a lot of interview calls. You will know how to convince people, how to talk to people, right? So yeah, at least try to talk to your friends as well. Okay, if they are interested in the internship, they can come over. Okay, so no worries, you will still get your certificate. You can just talk to the company number. All right, next is nothing but this process of hiring. Okay, the first thing is setting up your account. That is nothing but you all received the company email, right?
No, ma'am.
The server.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, all right, you must have, Sharu, you must have joined today itself, right?
Ah, yes, ma'am. I just
Yeah,
joined half an hour or 1 hour ago.
yeah, that's why you didn't receive your email. Okay, don't worry, you will receive it. Okay, soon enough, and then you will know how to set up your account. Okay, and then after setting up your account, once you log in and once verification is done, right, you'll have to use that email and reach out to the different job portals and um, post the job posting there. Okay, and then we will have to screen the resumes, and then we will have to schedule the interviews, and then we have to welcome the candidates. Onboarding is also your responsibility, and after you hire the candidates, right, you have to update the information to the company number. So this is the full 6 steps. Okay, I'll explain all of these in details, so don't worry about it. Okay, so once you have finished the hiring process, right, and the candidate is all set for the internship, you will need to share a Google form with them for some information. Okay, just like you have filled out a Google form when joining, so each one of you should make your own Google form to keep everything organized. Okay, so let me guide you on how to create a Google form. Okay, your own Google form. Everyone has filled some form like this, right?
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so 1 second, guys. So there was some form like this, right? Everyone might have filled this. Just a second, guys. One moment. Sorry guys, just give me a second. Okay, all right. Yeah, everyone can see my screen, right? Just a moment, guys. हाँ हेलो पापा. टीवी अभी मैं मीटिंग में हूँ पापा. हाँ अभी एक आधे घंटे से देखता हूँ. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. अच्छा. Yeah, so coming to this, guys. Okay, everyone can see my screen, right? This form.
Yes.
Okay, great. So you have to create a similar form to this. Okay, so just click on this. Okay, search for Google Forms.
Ma'am, already I created one form, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Already I created one form, ma'am.
You
Already I
have.
watched this video on YouTube.
Okay, that's great, that's great. But everyone didn't watch, right? So
Ma'am.
let's go ahead. Okay, so yeah, just click on the first link. Okay, go to forms, and then blank form. Okay, so you have to just copy this information, the same information that is here. Okay, you can just open your form in another window and just copy this information, untitled. Okay, just copy paste this all information, the description. Okay, and the first question you can add the name. Okay, and the option, it's not an option, right? Your name is not an option, so you'll have to just change the change the format to short answer. Okay, and it must be a required field. Okay, if you don't turn on this, right, people might not answer the question, and they might just fill the form. Okay, so they might just send the form without filling the information. So please make sure you are turning on this required form. And also this is a short answer format. Okay, and then to add the next question, you can see there is a plus button here. Okay, you can just click on that and the next question will pop up. Okay, and the next question is nothing but the WhatsApp number. You can just copy this and then you can add this WhatsApp number here. Okay, again this is a short answer, so short answer. Okay, and then required field, and then add another question, and you must add all of these information: name, WhatsApp number, email, gender, domain, ready to pay, okay, or want to proceed forward, and country, and any queries. Okay, you must add all of these questions, but right now I'm just writing only three questions. Okay, so question number 3, and this is a multiple choice question. So ready to pay, yes, they are ready to pay. No, they are not ready to pay. And third option, ready to pay 99 rupees. Okay, so these are the 3 options. Okay, and this is also a required field. Okay, so I'm done with the Google form. Okay, you must add all the questions, but right now I'm just adding 3 just to save the time. Okay, and if you want to preview this, right, how will this look? Okay, when you send this to someone, right, so you can just click on this I button above. Okay, on the right hand side up right, you can see some icons. Okay, you can just preview this and you will see this information. Okay, so this is how you can fill. Okay, let's say okay, Sanjana. Okay, and her WhatsApp number is something like this. Okay, and she is ready to pay 449 rupees and she will submit. Okay, so this is how your interns will fill the form, and once they fill the form, right, you will receive a response. Okay, you can see Sanjana number and she is ready to pay, yes. Okay, so this is how your response sheets will look. Okay, this is for like tracking and keeping the data, okay, of all the candidates you have hired. Once you hire someone, right, you can just send this Google form and ask them to fill it. Okay, so that you will have the information about that candidate. So let's see how to send this form. Okay, right now I've just filled it directly, but how to send this form to your hired candidates. Okay, so you can see a send button at the top right. Okay, just click on that, and here you can see send via. Okay, so you can just click on this link. Okay, and you will see a link, and you can just shorten this URL. Okay, so that you will have like a short link, not a long link. You can just copy this, and you can just send this to anyone. Okay, you can just copy from here as well. Okay, copy to clipboard, and you can just send it to their WhatsApp number or wherever you are in touch with them. Okay, and ask them to fill the form. Okay, right now I'm sending this to you guys. Okay, in the chat box. Okay, so anyone can fill this, please, like at least 2-3 people, please fill it. All right, nobody has filled yet. It's not opening for me, ma'am. It's not possible. What about others? Yeah, I have received a response, okay, from Mohammed Parvez, okay, and I can see his number, okay, and Trisha has also filled, okay, and no, I can see this full responses, but if I want to see the individual responses, right, I can just click on this individual button. Okay, this was summary. This next question, okay, individual, I can see this is Sanjana's form, and the next was Parvez, okay, so here Parvez form is there. Okay, he's ready to pay 99, and in the next one this is Trisha's, and she is not ready to pay. Okay, so this is how you will receive all the responses. Okay, where you can share this Google form is nothing but in the groups. Okay, in the WhatsApp groups of students, right, you can send the group, you can send this form, and if somebody is interested, they can fill the form directly. Okay, you will not receive their resumes, right, because this is not the job portal. So you're just sending it on the social media, and even if you're posting it on the LinkedIn, right, you are sending this form. You can just give the link of this form at the bottom, and you can say if somebody is interested, they can fill this form. Okay, so there's where this Google form will be helpful. Okay, and also to keep the data. Okay, so I got 3 responses till now. Okay, everyone can come back. Okay, that's enough, I guess. I don't need more information. What about you, Sharu? Did it open?
Ma'am, it's not opening for me, ma'am.
Maybe you didn't log in or something happened. What is it showing? Broken link or what?
Ma'am, it's showing invalid link and go to previous page like that. It's showing.
Okay, all right. Let me again share this form then. Okay, send shopping airline. Okay. Try this now. Even you, Nishani, because of some server issue. Okay.
Ma'am, still not. It's not coming. It's coming like redirect notice like that.
Okay, all right. Do one thing. Okay, clear your cache. Okay, and try again. Google form. Google or whatever the browser you are using, right? Google Chrome or whatever the browser. Just try to clear the cache. Okay, and try again. Okay, it will definitely work. Okay, it's not opening for you and it's opening for others. That means it's not the broken link. It's just that some issue with your mobile. Okay, you can try on other device. Okay, if not, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Do I have to try it now or after the session?
After the session. Okay, after the session you can
Okay.
do it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you know how to create a Google form and how to share it as well. Okay, so that's enough. Okay, for now. All right. So, okay, so I think Google form is clear, right? Everyone, no doubts here, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, great. Okay, so you must add all these questions, and next is nothing but, okay, when you are screening, right, what are the things you need to consider? These are nothing but you must see the candidates are students or homemakers. Okay, homemakers in a sense, the women who are right now not working. Okay, they are trying to start their career again. Okay, you can hire them as well. Okay, they must be at least graduated. Okay, don't select anyone. Okay, they must have good communication at least. Okay, so yeah, mostly we are looking for freshers with less than 1 year experience or the students. Okay, so main criteria is they must have less than 1 year experience. Okay, so please don't select anyone beyond 1 year experience. So if somebody is working as an assistant or executor or something like that, and they have more than 1 year experience, please don't select them, because this is a very basic jobs, and they already have the lot of experience, so they will be not doing this internship. Okay, so yeah, please make sure of that when you're screening the CVs. And next is educational qualification. They must be undergraduated or more than that. They can be doing the masters or anything, or they can be first year, second year students as well. No worries on that. Okay, and the location must be India. Okay, except for Jammu and Kashmir, please don't select anyone from Jammu and Kashmir. And if somebody from overseas applies, okay, so from Canada or somewhere, that's a very rare case, but somebody has applied from overseas, just contact the company number and they'll take care of that. And they must have the basic knowledge of MS Office and basic understanding of social media management. These are like optional things, but yeah, it's good to have. Okay, and these are the things, okay, that you need to be careful about while screening the CVs. Next is nothing but interviewing the candidates. Okay, how to take an interview? You can take a telephonic call, okay, or the virtual interview. Okay, you can directly call them or arrange a Google Meet. Okay, so scheduling the interview, you must schedule an interview and tell the candidates about the ILP overseas, okay, and provide the information regarding the internship and the benefits, and also inform them about the payment. Okay, I'll tell you how to take an interview exactly. Okay, there will be like a script. Okay, I'll be sharing. Okay, or like how I take interviews, I'll be telling about those. Okay, so first thing is nothing but you must provide your self introduction. Okay, you must introduce yourself like my name is Amadul Khotija and I am from ILP. Am I speaking with Karthik or Saru or anyone? Okay, whomever your candidate is. Okay, you must introduce yourself. Okay, then you must ask them like, are they comfortable conversing in English? Are they free right now for the interview? Okay, you must ask these general questions, and then you can say, I have reviewed your resume for the HR internship at ILP. Right now, are you free for the interview? Yeah, we can say that. Okay, and they'll say yes. Okay, so if they say yes, you can just tell this like. Give the company background. Okay, and also tell them this before we dive into the details, right? It's important to note that this opportunity extends beyond a standard internship. Okay, it extends beyond a standard internship. Okay, so it's a comprehensive trainingship program. Are you comfortable with this structure? Basically, you're saying that it is not just an internship, it is also a trainingship program. So are you comfortable with this kind of structure? So if they say yes, you can proceed forward, and then you can say, let me provide a brief introduction or brief overview of the ILP. Okay, so you can just give the company introduction like Sharu has said right at the beginning of the session. I asked everyone to take an initiative and speak about the company, right? Just like that you can speak up. Okay, like you can say, with 14 years of experience, ILP plays a vital role in offering quality education to students aspiring to study abroad. Okay, our team specializes in overseas education, counseling, scholarship guidance, and coaching classes for exams like IELTS. Okay, so you can just tell this details, and then you can say the numbers as well. We have successfully placed more than 10,000 students in world's best colleges and universities, and additionally we offer internships in various domains including HR with the 15,000 intern students completed by 2023. Okay, so you can tell all of these details, and then you can say, can we begin now? Just try to wrap up all of these things in within 2 minutes. Okay, within 2 to 3 minutes, just wrap up. Don't take it long. Okay,
And
don't stretch it. Yeah.
I have one small doubt in Google Form.
Yes,
I
yes.
have created a Google Form and shared to one person who I
Hmm.
am hired. It's
Hmm.
Mohammed Hanas. Okay, after I filling this form, if I am trying to open the form, it comes only in blank. So how to I saw that like man.
Okay, all right. One second. I'll address that. Okay, I have noted down. I'll say at the end of the session. Okay, it will be like
Okay, ma'am.
interruption.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So then you can just proceed with the interview. Okay, shall we begin? Okay, then you can just say, could you share a brief introduction about yourself? You can ask some questions. Okay, like this. Introduce yourself, and then you can say what sparked your interest in this opportunity. Why did you apply? Right? Why do you believe you are a good fit for this internship? And you can also ask like, what are the three main skills required for an HR role, or three challenges of an HR role. Okay, this type of questions you can ask in the interview. Okay, uh, post some good 3 to 4 questions, or you can from the screening, right? When you screen a CV, right, you will get some idea that they have done a internship before, or they are from another background, right? Let's say they are from agriculture background or nursing background. Why did they apply for HR internship? So you can ask this type of questions according to their resume. If they are from BBA or MBA, you can ask like if they have done any previous internships, or you can ask like technical questions like can you name 3 job portals for sourcing, means for hiring candidates, right? What are the 3 job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, Naukri, right? That type of portals. Basic questions, don't ask like very difficult questions, but yeah, you can ask this type of questions according to the candidates. Okay, so first thing is self introduction, then tell about the trainingship plus internship program, okay, if they are comfortable with this or not. Okay, trainingship basically means we will be asking for some amount, so they will have an idea and they will be proceeding with that. If they are proceeding with that, then we can just talk about the payments at the end. Okay, so after that you can just ask about the company background. I mean, you can just discuss about the company, and then you can take an interview session. Okay, then you can ask some questions, 3 4 questions, and then after that you can tell the benefits. Okay, benefits of this internship. Okay, you can say it's a fully remote position, okay, with flexible timing, spanning from 4 to 16 weeks. Okay, and we will also provide the master classes with website verified certificates. Okay, this isn't just an internship, we are offering the coaching and master classes as well, and we are also providing the official company email for sourcing. Okay, that is a very unique feature not found in other internships. So for this we have a very nominal fees of 99 rupees. Okay, according to the candidates, if is very interested, you can just post like 449 rupees directly. Okay, you can just tell there is a 449 rupees internship. Okay, if they are not agreeing or if they are hesitant about the internship, you can just tell them for 99 rupees as well, and you can just let them know about all the certificates they will be receiving, and what are the certificates they will be receiving for 449 rupees, and for 99 rupees what they will be receiving. Yeah, you can just tell this benefits and about the payment. Okay, cool, got it, how to take an interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And next is you must consider a few things while you're hiring the candidate. Okay, so when considering the candidates, you must focus on their communication skills, experience and educational background. You can just see that, okay, during the interview calls, right, when they are speaking about them, right, they will definitely you will get an idea how their communication is. Okay, and also you must see that they are available to join. Okay, immediately, and they are willing to learn, they are very enthusiastic about working with us. Okay, so these are the 3 things you need to make sure. Okay, the basic thing is good communication. If they are not good with communication, right, they won't be able to pitch for the further interview calls. Okay, they must also hire, right? So yeah, so please make sure they have a good communication. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So after the interview, you must do the onboarding. Okay, so give them a warm welcome through a onboarding message. Okay, send them this thing. Okay, welcome to ILP overseas. I'll be sending this 2 messages. Okay, in the channel, I'll ask the company to send this details. Okay, so you must ask the candidates to fill all of these form. Okay, full name, phone number, address, and all those, and HR officer name, you must enter your name. Okay, so if Sharu is hiring someone, right, she will edit this Sharu because she is the one who hired the candidate, and let's say she hired Sanjana. Okay, I don't know why Sanjana is coming to my mind, but yeah. So if you write Sanjana is the hired candidate and Sharu is the one who interviewed her and she hired, so she will write Sharu and she will send that to the Sanjana, and she will fill up this form and she will send the details to Sharu and also to the company number. Okay, ask them to send these details to, yeah, okay, to the company number, and ask them to attach a decent photo as well for the flyer. Okay, so this is the onboarding process. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, you can take a screenshot here. Okay, this onboarding message. Okay, and I'll also send this message, don't worry. And after they send these details to the company number, right, company number will share a QR code and they'll need to make the payment. And the once the payment is completed, request them to share the screenshot of the payment. Okay, both to the company number and to you as well for the record keeping. Okay, just like what you have done while joining the company. Okay, got it? Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, great. Thank you, guys. Yeah, and how will you receive your certificates? Okay, so what you have to do is you have to send this. Please mute yourself, whoever that is. Karthik. All right, thank you. Yeah, coming back to this. Okay, when your internship is over, right? Let's say your internship is over by April 5th. Okay, so you want to leave, but after that, after that, you'll have like 8 days to send all of these details in order to get your certificate. Okay, so you must send your name, contact number, highest qualification, college name, reference ID will be on your offer letter, and welcome flyer which you received, right? That you need to save it. Okay, and your start date, your end date. Start date will be after you start hiring. Okay, once the training session is done, you can just enter that start date. Okay, end date, and worked as a. Okay, this is a very interesting perk which we have. Okay, so your highest designation will be given on the certificates. Okay, so if you get promoted, right? So if you're team leader, okay, team leader officer, okay, not an intern, you are at level 2. Okay, so let's say you have worked for 2 months. Okay, after 1 month you got promoted to the team leader officer. Okay, so on the certificate it will show as team leader officer, not as an intern. So for the 2 months you are getting an experience of a team leader officer. Okay, so that's an interesting perk. So whatever your last designation is, that will be written on the certificate. So work hard on the promotions. Okay, and that will be very helpful in your next internship or jobs, whatever you go, right? They will know that you have an experience of this head of the department or team leader officer, whatever it is. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And also you must send a final report, like whatever you have done in the whole internship, like how many hirings you have done, how many calls you have made. Okay, whatever things you have done in the internship, how many master classes you have taken, all those information. And the testimonial video is nothing but how your experience was with the ILP overseas. You can just share that as well. Okay, so am I clear with this? Do you guys
Yes,
have
ma'am.
yeah, do you guys have any questions here?
Yes, ma'am. I have one question
Yes,
about
yes.
Google Form, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what about, yeah, that I'll address. Okay, no worries. 1 second. Yeah, Google Form, just go to this forms. Okay, so once you go to this form, right, sorry, yeah, so this is blank, right? Just click on this forms. Okay, you can see this icon forms, right? When you go there, right, you will see all your recent forms. Okay, just click on your recent form, whatever you have created, and it must show. Okay, it will show up. Okay, the 4 responses you can see, this is Sanjana, Parvez, Trisha, Nisha. Okay, so they have filled up. Okay, you can see it in the recent forms. Try to open from here, just go back and try to open from there. Don't go here, don't go to the blank form, okay, go back, and you can see the recent form. Yes, Karthik, did you get it?
So, regarding the check the responses, you need to use the lap or laptop, ma'am.
To check the response. Okay, and now I got it, what you have done. Okay, you have filled the form, you were trying to fill the form, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you tried to fill the form. So this is where you got redirected. Okay, this is how you redirected, and it's showing blank here, and you don't see the responses. That is what you're
Yes, ma'am.
talking
Yes,
about.
ma'am.
Okay, you have created your own Google form, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I
You're
did a
not
own
use
Google Form, ma'am.
Yeah, you're okay. So there will be a responses button. Okay, just go to this Google form. Okay, click on the recent forms. Okay, this will be your forms, not the one you are filling. Okay, the ones you are filling, right, will not have the responses, because this is not your form. You're just filling the form of somebody who created. Okay, the person who created will get the responses. Okay, that is why we are making everyone make their
Ma'am,
own
yes,
Google
ma'am. Yes,
form.
ma'am. This option I am able to view in my laptop, but in my mobile I'm not able to view, ma'am. This
Yeah, sometimes mobile might be like a issue. Okay, you can just
but
use, yeah,
understood, ma'am.
yeah, you can just use the desktop site. Okay, if you're on mobile, right?
In desktop I am able to view this, ma'am.
Okay,
These
great,
three
great.
options I am able to view, ma'am.
Okay, great, that's great. Okay, so if you're on mobile, guys, try to view on the desktop, or try to change the browser. Okay, you will receive this. Okay, if not, try to open from the laptop. If you don't have a laptop, try to do those things. Okay, try to change the browser or change it to the desktop site. Okay, desktop viewing site, you will get it. Okay, you will get all these responses. Okay, so yeah, I hope it's cleared. You got the responses, right? Responses, the option, right? Karthik?
I mean, laptop I am able to see, ma'am. And mobile I have some issue, I think so. Okay, ma'am. I will check, ma'am.
Yeah, you can just clear the cache and you can just try again, okay. Yeah, it will be helpful, okay. Or try different browsers, okay. If you're using Google Chrome, you can use a different browser, okay. Yeah, you can use Firefox or something like that, Safari or anything like that, okay. Yeah. All right, about the hiring now, how to get the candidates, okay. First we had a ATS software, but right now we don't have that, so there might be a little difficulty, but it's okay, you can try out, okay. The first thing is try to reach out to your friends, okay. That is your first primary thing, okay. Definitely you can pitch better to your friends and they will also agree for the payment, okay. They will not have any trust issues, they know you, okay. So in the colleges you can talk, okay, because right now you must be studying somewhere, and the students will be also interested in internships. They also want some hands-on experience and certificates, so you can pitch your friends, okay, in the colleges, and also you can talk to your friends, okay. And you can also talk to your family members, okay. If somebody is right now studying, right, you can ask them as well, okay. That is your first step. And second step is reach out to the WhatsApp groups, okay. You have a lot of WhatsApp groups, right, of students, okay. I mean few might not have those groups, but still, if you have some groups, right, try to share this Google form and ask them, tell them about this internship, and if they are interested, you can schedule an interview with them, and you can just hire them as well, okay. Cool.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Charu.
Ma'am, actually, one sir sent me the welcome flyer to post on LinkedIn, LinkedIn handle. I didn't understand that, ma'am. Can you explain that also?
Yeah, okay, 1 second. So let's say, so you can see she was an intern, okay. She's actually an intern right now, okay. um, so she have posted, okay, she have shared a lot of things, okay. All right, 1 second. You just have to make a post on the LinkedIn, okay. um, so basically, where is her flyer? Okay, all right. Yeah, so there you go, you can see this is the flyer she have posted. Yeah, can you see this?
No, ma'am.
You can't see? Did I stop the screen share? Okay,
It's
all right.
not visible for me, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
it was
right.
given us.
Okay, I didn't share the screen, I'm sorry guys. Okay, so here you can see she has shared this, right, flyer, and also um, okay, she's the team leader, manager. She just left now, okay. She's no longer part, okay. She has completed her duration, but yes, you can see that she have posted before, okay. So here, look at her flyer, okay. See, she have shared this information, and she have shared a picture of this flyer, right, this flyer with the information. This is what sir asked you to post, right. How do you make a posting? Is nothing but just go to your profile first, okay. You can make a posting here, okay. You can just create a post. All right, you can see here there is a create a post, okay. Just add this information whatever sir has given to you, okay. And after that you can just tag this, okay. This is ILP overseas, right. You can just tag them, okay. At the rate, you can just click on at the rate. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, at the rate ILP overseas, you can mention them, okay. And you can just clear this out, okay. And you can attach the photo, okay. You can attach the photo with this thing, okay. You can see add media, okay. You can add media and the flyer, and you can add the flyer and you can just post it. Am I clear with this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, great. Anything else?
Ma'am, you said right, we can choose our own flexible timings.
Yes.
So per day, how much hours I have to work?
Just 2 hours, okay, just 2 hours, put 2 hours in it, okay. Make interview calls, at least make like 10 calls per day, okay. If you can get those data, okay, you can just make calls, okay. Interview calls is the only thing you must do now, right now, right? So if you're doing good number of hirings, or if you're good with communication, attending the master classes, you're active, right? So I might promote you as well, okay. Then you will have different responsibilities. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am. So I can choose my own timings, right?
Yeah, you can choose your own timing, okay, whenever
For
you're
whom,
comfortable.
with whom I have to say that which timing I'm flexible at.
You don't have to say that, okay. Whenever you're free, you can just make the interview calls, okay. Once you receive the resumes, right, or the data, or your friend's data, or whatever it is, okay, in the Google Forms, if you're receiving the data, somebody's interested, right, you can just make an interview call, okay. Especially you, as you're a student, right, you're a student, right now. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, yeah.
Sorry, ma'am.
No worries, no worries, you're a student right now, right?
Actually, no, ma'am. I'm graduated,
Okay, you're
but I'm
graduate.
doing some other courses like some other UI UX designing courses and all.
Okay, okay, no worries. So right now, what happened is, like, you will be mostly available at evening hours, I guess, right? 6 to 9, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, after like 11, uh, morning 11 and evening until evening 7:30, I'm available, ma'am.
Okay, great. So you can pick up like from 4:30 to 6:30 timing, okay, and you can make the interview calls, because the students you're making a call, right? They must be in the colleges or somewhere, right? So try to work in the evening hours, or afternoon hours also works, okay. You can just make a call to the candidates, okay. It's flexible. You can work from 4 to 5, or 4 to 6, or you can work from 6 to 9, okay, 6 to 7, whatever timings you're comfortable with, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Ma'am,
right.
first we have to post that in LinkedIn handles or in Naukri job portals like that, right?
Yes, yes, I'm coming to that, okay,
Okay,
how to
okay.
do the hirings,
Okay.
okay. So yeah, after this posting the flyers, okay, discard, okay, one second. So you can do the head hunting. What do you mean by head hunting is nothing but in the search, okay, you can just search up for your college, okay, or your school, okay. I am from Platinum, okay, so I'll just search up for that. So what happened here, like people, I can just select people, and I can see I can scan people, okay. So she's a student right now, okay, and I know her, and I can pitch to her. I can just connect with her, and I can say that I'm doing an internship right now. If you're interested, you can let me know, okay. You can just send a message, okay. You can just search up for your school people, okay. If somebody is in the HR field, right, you can just add the boolean operators, and you can just say HR, okay, HR domain. So you will see that this is the candidate from my school, and she is in the HR domain. You can see that she is in the HR domain, HR solutions. You can see human resources. So like this, you can search up for the people, okay. For your you can just search up your university, or the secondary board wherever you studied, and you can just search up for HR domain people, okay. So you can see this Vinita, she is also in the HR resources, okay. And you can see Bhavna, she is also in the HR one, okay. So yeah, there are many people in the HR domain, okay. Preeti Jain, she is also at HR, okay. Like this, you will definitely find HR people and from your school, and you can reach out to them, okay. This is like an headhunting. And now you can just change, you can just search up for some university, like let's say Sage University and HR, okay. You must look for the students with less than 1 year experience, okay. Mostly if they are doing like MBA or something, like look at this Dolly, okay. She's Dolly, she's doing MBA, okay, and she's from the Sage University. So I'll just click on her profile, and I'll look at the experience. She is doing an internship right now in digital Bajaj, okay, and she has less than 1 year experience. So I can directly connect to her, and once I connect with her, I can just send her a message, okay. You can send a message like, would you like to join this internship, right now I'm doing this, and you can just explain the benefits, okay. You can use the AI to enhance the text, okay. Yeah, yeah, I'll address the
Ma'am,
questions. Yeah, please tell me, Karthik.
I have a small doubt.
Yes.
Without doing an headhunting, shall we use directly Boolean search? For example, I am looking for a HR person. So HR person must have skill in a MS Office, MS Excel. Like
Yes,
that, I
yes.
will search a particular course and dialog box and Shall I
Yes,
search for candidate, ma'am? Is this
yes,
possible?
yes, definitely it's possible. Okay, so what you have to do is nothing but not just this. Okay, I'm coming to that point. Okay, mostly like it's easier to connect with the people from the universities. You can I mean, there are multiple universities. Okay, Hansraj University. You can just search up. Okay, and you can just um, you can search up for the students in the HR domain, and is the boolean operator you can use, or you can use or as well. Okay, you can just search up and you will definitely find a lot of students. Okay, who are just right now freshers as well. You can just search up for that. And also, yes, as Karthik mentioned, you can just search up for MX Excel. Okay, skill as well. You can just search up for skill as well, not just the college name and the HR field. Okay, you can just search up for the MX Excel. You can see this girl is Harshita. Okay, she's from the HR domain, and you can see that her proficiency in MS Excel. Okay, you can just click on that, click on her name. Okay, and you can see that experience column. Okay, she has a lot of experience. Okay, she is a senior human resources executive, so she won't be interested in this internship, so you can just skip her. Okay, mostly try to look out for someone who is a fresher, who is just studying right now. Okay, so yeah, you can search up for MS Excel and boolean operator. You can use this you can use this fresher or like MBA as well. You can just search up for something like that. Okay, so you can see this girl Sana Ranjan. Okay, she just have 168 connects, and yeah, she already has an experience. No, yeah, she already has an experience, so I'll just skip her. Look at this Yamini. Okay, she just added fresher, and yes, her experience is just 3 months. Okay, in analyst, you can just contact her. Okay, and yes, you can also use the Graphic Era deemed university. Okay, this university is Amity University. They will be mostly looking for the internships. Okay, big universities. You can just search up, and you will
I
definitely
have
get a
one
lot
more.
of people. Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, Boolean operators and or these two only operators, or is there any other Boolean operators also, ma'am?
Yeah, there are many boolean operators. Okay, there will be asterisk, there will be parenthesis. Okay, yeah, that's a topic, different topic. Okay, right now I don't want to go dive into that. Okay, if you want
Okay,
me to,
ma'am.
yeah, if you want me to say about the boolean operators, maybe I'll conduct a master class on it. Okay, yeah, okay.
Ma'am, if you are telling conducting class is very useful for us, ma'am.
Great, I'll try that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so yeah. Yeah, so there are many other boolean operators, guys. Like asterisk is nothing but if I want someone from administration. Okay, what I'll do is I'll admin, and then I'll put an asterisk. Okay, oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. Why is this? I'm misclicking something, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just clicking control instead of shift. Sorry. Yeah, so admin. Okay, so what happens is all the administrator, administration, all of these words will pop up. Okay, all of these things will come in consideration. Okay, so if I want specialized in some field, right, it will be specialization, specialist. Okay, some people will not write the particular word, right, they will write specialized something. Okay, I mean, they are specialist in something. Okay, instead of writing that whole word, I want someone from okay, spec. Okay, if I search that, so I'll have different members. Okay, instead of specialization, if I type specialization, right, I'll definitely, I mean, I will get all the specialization, particularly specialization. Okay, so if I'm just typing spec, right, I'll get different details as well. Okay, so specialist. Okay, you can see specialist, but there might be some people who might have written specialized in some field. Okay, so if I want that details as well, that is why I'll just add the asterisk. Okay, that is one of the boolean operator as well. I mean, there are many other boolean operators, like if you want to prioritize something, you can use the parenthesis. Okay, and yeah, there will be a plus b plus c as well, the thing as well, but for now you can just use and or. Okay, yeah, or is something like nothing but, like, let's say a and b. Okay, yeah, somebody is raising the hand.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes,
Ma'am, we have to search in LinkedIn, ma'am.
yes, it's LinkedIn, because
Okay, ma'am.
that's where
Fine.
headhunting is possible, right? So yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
This is known as headhunting, ma'am. This
yeah,
is
headhunting. Yeah, headhunting
okay.
means like you're searching for a particular person. right?
Okay.
You're trying to search up for the right candidate. Okay, so yeah, human resources, you can just directly write human resources as well. Okay, human resources. Yeah, you can see a lot of people here. Okay, and you can just search up for human resources or MBA. Okay, any of these two works. Okay, A or B. I mean, the candidates can have the human resources in their profile, or they can have MBA in their profile. If you add and, right, it will be a different case. What happens here? It can be this and this. We must have both of these things. Okay, we must include both of this thing. Okay, like let me show this. Okay, or means what happens? This is human resources MBA, human resources MBA. Okay, here human resources there, but MBA is not there, but still her profile is showing up because I added human resources or MBA. Either of them can be there in their profile. But if I add and instead of or, right, it will only show the profiles with MBA plus human resources. Okay, because the two must be included. If it's only included MBA, they won't show that. Okay, and if it is included only human resources, it won't show. They must have this A and B, this both words. Okay, so you can see Karthik MBA and human resources. Here you can see this girl also, when you click on her profile, there is human resources as well. Yeah, she has human resources as well, and she has completed her MBA. Somewhere she added MBA, that is why it's showing up. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that is how the boolean operator works. In her profile there is somewhere MBA, so that is why it's showing up. Mostly it will show up here. Okay, MBA and human resources, MBA and human resources. So mostly try to use the and feature. Okay, not the or feature. Or is like more like you are excluding the members. Okay, so yeah, you can reach out to these people. Okay, mostly pursuing MBAs. Okay, they will be interested in the internships. Okay, so yeah, you can see that this girl has worked with me in the previous internship as well. So yeah, she's doing the 5 months internship. Okay, I can reach out to her. She might be interested. Okay, she might be interested in the new internship. Okay, so you can also search up for the internships if you have done previously, right? If you have done a previous internship, right? I have done in yours that senior, so I'll just search up for that company. Okay, so you can see people here, and there will be a lot of students itself, right? So they are HR intern at yours at senior. You can see there are a lot of people who are doing the internship, right? You can search up for the internship, I mean companies, okay, who are providing the internships. Okay, if you search up for those internships, right, you will definitely find a lot of freshers. Okay, so I see there are many people. Okay, they are also interns right now, so I can just connect with them and I can just tell them that we are offering internship. If you are interested, you can join. Okay, so they'll definitely have less than 1 year experience. If they have more than one year experience in internships, right, they'll be definitely getting job by now, or they must be doing something else, right? So they might be not interested much, but yeah, freshers will be interested. So try to reach out to the freshers. Am I clear with the headhunting?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Akhila.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how the internship will be useful, ma'am, when we work in other companies practically?
Practically you're making the interview calls, you're connecting with people, you're convincing people, you're convincing skills. Okay, you will be having the certificates as well, and if you're getting promoted, you will have different roles. Okay, right now I'm doing the training and development, right? I'm providing the master
Yes, ma'am.
classes and I'm also providing training. So I have a experience on training and master classes. So if you get promoted as well, I'll be soon leaving. So if you are getting better with the communication, sir might select you, and you might be doing this. Okay, that will be like a hands-on experience. You will be training, so you will be managing a team, right? And right
Yes,
now
ma'am.
you're at level 1, so it will be mostly like recruitment. Okay, so you can just say that I have made interview calls, I did the hirings. Okay, I went for the job portals, I have tried on different job portals, posting job advertisements, how to make a JD, right? And also I have done
Oh,
headhunting. So that is the experience you'll
yes,
get,
ma'am.
right? And also you can
Yes,
just
ma'am.
show the master classes as well. Okay, you have the master classes,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah, certificates as well, right?
Like when we go to other companies also, they also provide the similar work.
Yes, yes.
We'll do that. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
yeah, no virus. Okay, yeah, this is the headhunting, and also you can make a job posting. Okay, you can just click on this job posting, and here you can just write the title and company name, remote work, okay, and location, internship, and write your own JD. Okay, and here in the JD you must include the company overview. Okay, write about the company, write about the job role, write about the roles and responsibilities and the benefits of the internship and the stipend. Okay, it will be performance based, and then the benefits as well. Okay, I mean the benefits. Okay, These are the things you must include in the job description. Okay, I'll show you my job description, what I've posted. Okay, so here you can see that I have posted this job on February 26th. So you can see this company overview. I have added this. Okay, and the roles and responsibility, assistant recruitment process, including the job posting. Okay, whatever the roles and responsibilities you have, you can just post that, and you can just use the AI to enhance the JD you have made. Okay, and candidate qualification, he must be a fresher, he must have less than 1 year experience. Please make sure you add this. Okay, strong communication skills. Okay, proficiency in Microsoft Office and all those. Okay, basic knowledge of human resources. Okay, these are like optional ones. Okay, but this two things are mandatory ones. Okay, and proficiency you can just include like a basic knowledge. Okay, and stipend will be performance based, and benefits, benefits. Okay, receiving the master classes. Okay, you will be getting trained on various HR topics. Okay, and you will be receiving the certificates and all those. You can add these details. Okay, so you can make a JD of your own, and you can make a job posting, but make sure you're not using your main account, guys. Please don't use your main account. I have made I have posted from the main account, but please don't use your main account, because there might be a chance of blockage. Okay, the verification will be not done right, because you are interns right now, so there might be a problem in the verification. The LinkedIn might suspect you as a scam. Okay, so please don't use your main accounts. Try to create a new account, and don't make a posting immediately. Okay, right after making an account, don't make a job posting. Wait for 7 to 10 days, guys. Okay, 7 to 10 days is the time you must take. Okay, after that you can post a job. Okay, till then do the headhunting, reach out to your friends. Okay, till one to 50, say one week to 15 days. Okay, let's take 7 days to 15 days. Try to reach out to your friends, colleges. Okay, different colleges, not just in your college. You can go to the nearby college, and you can pitch to them. Okay, communicating, right? The communication skill is something that you must work on as a HR. Yeah, as a HR intern, right? You must acquire the skills, okay, of communication, and getting rid of your anxiety and social pressure, right? So try to reach out to the different people as well. You can just tell them, okay, about this company, and you can say that I'm working here currently. You can show them the LinkedIn profile of the company. You can say, you can show the details. Okay, you can show the offer letter. You can show the flyers and everything. Okay, you can just tell them about this company. If they are interested, they can apply. Okay, first try to reach out to your friends, families, and then college as well. Okay, yeah, yes, Sharu, and yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, I have one small doubt. I'm not able to log in my webmail address, ma'am.
This one, right?
Yeah, it's looking invalid for everyone.
I'm sorry, who was that?
I'm Nisha.
Yeah.
Whenever we log in, it's showing like invalid. Login ID is invalid.
Okay, all right. Try to contact this. Yeah, there might be some technical issue, guys. So try to contact to Mufrita ma'am, okay, or try to directly
Yeah.
reach out. Yeah, directly try to reach out to this company number. Okay. Yeah. They'll help you out in that. Okay.
For the webmail, we can download from Play Store or only the web.
No. Just website. Okay. There will be just website. Okay. Just
Yeah, it have no any app, right?
no app. Okay, this is just a server. Okay, so just enter your email and just enter your password. Make sure you don't have any spacing. Okay, while copying, just don't copy with the spacing. Okay, at the back or at the front. Okay, if you are adding some spacing, right, it will show as invalid. Okay, mostly there might be some issue. The verification might have not done by the company, that is why it's showing invalid. Okay, just ask them once. Okay, they'll help you out. Okay, once you log in, there will be some verification. What is the verification? Is nothing but you have to enter your email address. Okay, the personal email address, whatever it is, sharu@gmail.com or whatever it is. Okay, you need to enter that, and you need to check mark, and you need to open the there will be an open inbox. Okay, once you click on that, you will be redirected to the company email. Okay, once the company email is done, you will be receiving all the emails here. Okay, got it? That verification will be helped by your HR
Yeah.
officer. Okay, there is nothing much to worry about. Just entering the email address and just sending that detail. Okay, it's okay, that is not a big deal. Okay, that will be done by your HR officer. If you still have any doubts, you can just reach out to me in the next training session, and I'll help you out. Okay, if right now you are struggling with that, you can let me know. You can share the screen, I'll guide you. If any one of you are having an issue in the verification, I can help you with.
Actually, I didn't get, ma'am, but I
Yeah.
have another doubt.
Yes, Sharon.
Do we have to create a new account and post the welcome flyers in that account, or in
No.
in my personal LinkedIn account I have to post that
In your
welcome flyer and everything?
in your personal account, okay? Because when you're applying for other internships or jobs, right, they will look at your profile, right, your main account, okay? So some company, okay, there is one company, ABC company, they'll not go to your secondary account, right? They don't know about your secondary account, right? So they'll go to your main profile and they'll check, like, okay, this girl has done the internship, she has posted a flyer like 2 months ago, so yeah, she has done the she was a part of this internship. So that's where the verification will be done by the other companies, right? So you must post it on your
Ma'am,
main account.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I am contact to that ma'am. She told that I am not a part of that office. You should call your HR officer, like that. She telling, ma'am.
You have contacted Sanjana, I guess. Sanjana has
I,
left. Yeah.
I contacted that ma'am. She told telling like that. Then whom should I contact, ma'am?
1 second. I'm sharing Mufida ma'am's number, okay? Yeah. Contact on this number, please.
I'm not able to see that number, ma'am.
In the chat box. You can't see it.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
scroll down.
So now I saw.
Got it?
I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
only candidate we are finding headhunting only we have to do from another account, right?
Yes, headhunting should be done by the other account. The job post, no. I mean the headhunting, right? The headhunting must be done by your account, main personal account, guys. Okay? Because when you're reaching out to the candidates, right, they will see your profile. Okay, if there is empty profile, right, there is no posting, there is a complete new one, right, they will think that is a scam, right? So please use your main account for the headhunting. For the job posting, use the secondary account, because there might be a chance of block. Okay, so you don't want your personal account to be blocked, right? That is why we are asking you to use the secondary account, because we don't want you to have any trouble. That is why you will not get blocked, but there can be a chance. Okay, so we don't want to take that chance, and you are working a lot on your account and you just don't want to get blocked, right? So that is why we are asking you to use a secondary account for the job posting. And after 7 days, 10 days only, please make a posting. Okay, at least wait for 10 days. Okay, don't make a direct posting. All right. And headhunting will be done by your main account. Okay, because let's say I reach out to this Deepthi, okay, and she will see my message, right? She will see my message and she will see, like, this person has nothing, nothing about ILP, no followers, no connections. Why should I trust her? And especially about the payment, right? We are asking for 99 rupees, 449 rupees. They will not trust you. Okay, so use your main account for the headhunting, for the job posting, secondary account. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.